Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the xTool D1 Pro Laser Engraver. A perfect choice for beginners looking to explore the world of laser engraving and cutting. This machine boasts a 5W output power, capable of cutting through 3mm wood in a single pass, while its 36W machine power ensures efficient performance across various materials like wood, leather, acrylic, and glass. With a 0.06mm by 0.06mm ultra-fine compression spot, the D1 Pro delivers higher accuracy engraving, making it ideal for detailed patterns on wood and metal with minimal burn marks. Thanks to its high-power laser module and upgraded algorithms, you can achieve processing speeds of up to 400mm per second or 24,000mm per meter, all while benefiting from industry-leading technology that includes X/Y-axis limit switches to prevent boundary collisions. The D1 Pro is user-friendly, compatible with xTool Creative Space and Lightburn software, and comes with free access to XCS software, offering sample projects, over 500 elements, 30+ fonts, and default parameters for common materials. Safety is a top priority with an anti-UV filter acrylic that blocks 97% of UV rays and a built-in buzzer to alert you of any fire hazards during operation. Lastly, enjoy peace of mind with our professional customer support team ready to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.